Chad here. Welcome back to another Rally with Rolly video. This video was upon request from Jeff Meller. I'll be giving an update on the performance of the slime that I put in my tubes a little while back as a flat prevention. I'll give you some thoughts on what I think possibly a better flat prevention is and a similar product that I may use in the future. Thanks, Jeff. At the time I put the slime in my tubes, I had 3,334 miles. I currently have 5,268 miles, so just shy of 2,000 miles. I've had no direct punctures as far as I haven't pulled nails out or sticks out of my tires or anything to that, so I haven't seen directly if the slime has done its trick. Go aheads or puncture weeds or anything small that I may not have noticed might have come in and out, and it could have very well done its trick. 2,000 miles, there's been zero adverse effects. I can't tell it's in there when I'm cruising 65, 70 miles an hour down the highway. I don't feel it on the dirt trails. I mean, I don't even know what's in there. One of the most important things, and what I think the best flat prevention measure is to make sure your tires are properly inflated. I run no less than 15 PSI in my tires. I'll run 15 PSI if I run around with no gear. But if I'm geared up for moto camping weekend, I'll run 18 PSI just to make sure I have plenty of air. I think if you're running down those single digit, PSI pressure in your tire, you're gonna run into pinch flats. The dirt bike tires are kind of stiff, so they might look like they have plenty of air in them, but in actuality they might not have, very little or none. And then you get out and get what's called a pinch flat, and that's where going over a rock or something, it'll pinch your tire and pinch your tube against the wheel and give you a pinch flat. So I think properly inflated tires is the best flat prevention you can have. Also, since I've installed this product, I come across a different product, similar concept. It is called Flat Out. It's got some Kevlar fibers in it, and slime, it's rated up to 1/8 inch to plug a hole. And that Flat Out is rated up to 1/2 inch. 4 times bigger puncture it should patch up. In the future, I'll give Flat Out a try. Slime's worked great so far. I wouldn't hesitate to use it again. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get your own, and also for the Flat Out if you want to try that. As always, go adventure, go rally!